Hi class, in this video I want to show you how to just simply copy or fill down a formula, or it doesn't even have to be a formula, any information that you want to be the same in one cell but carries all the way down in the same column for your remaining rows. So in the previous video we created a reading gain column, which was a simple subtraction of the spring local assessment scores from the fall. So in this particular example, 86 minus 83 gives us a gain of 3. Now we want to be able to get this subtraction, this formula here, in all these remaining cells in the column. So in the fill down method, if you click on the home button, scroll all the way over to the fill button here, you'll see you just click that, you have some options here. Now before you do that, you have to tell Excel where you want this. So if you include that first top cell that has a formula and select all the remaining cells that don't have the formula, we go to our home button, we click fill, we click down, lo and behold, it's done in just 2 clicks. So, and you can check to see if it's correct by the function box here. You'll see the formula. Excel knew that you did this in this cell for N2 minus M2 and you wanted to do it for the remaining cells. So you'll see N3 minus M3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Easy enough, but most people are used to just standard copy and paste, and you know what? That works just fine. So you can just right click, copy that one cell, highlight your cells again, right click, paste this first option, and it does it as well. Pretty easy. The last method to copy or fill down is if you select the cell that has the original calculation. You'll see in the lower right corner of this cell there's a little black box, and if you hover your cursor over it, your cursor will go from this big white plus sign to a black plus sign, and if you just click and hold on it and drag it down, it does the formula as well. And that's it. That's how you have to copy a formula down. Like I said, you only have to do it once and then just copy it. Now, one last thing. Some people will say, well, this is after the fact. What if we want to do this ahead of time? And what I mean by that is if you delete, if you leave this formula in, and assuming you didn't have any data here, you'll see these scores are 0. And that's fine. Basically, what you've done is you created the formula ahead of time in the absence of any data. So let's just say this was 87 and this was 99. It did the formula for me. Likewise, if this was 64 and this was 70, it automatically does the formula. So you can do the formula after the fact, or if you wanted to, you can put the formula in ahead of time and then just plug in your raw data. It's your choice. But either way, you'll need to write the formula once and copy it down. You can do that via copy and paste methods, the fill down method, or dragging that lower right corner. And that's it.